Welcome to the product tutorials on how to report on actuals versus the estimated hours entered on a particular project. I'm now logged in into the Replicon instance. In this video, I'm going to show you one template that can be used to record actuals versus the estimates on a particular project. Please remember that there can be other templates that you can use depending on the other fields that you want to include on this particular report. However, in this video, we are only going to be concentrating on the actuals versus the estimates on any particular project in the system. So in order to create the report, let's move over to the Reports tab and let's click on the Add New Report button that's available on the top. Choose Add New Report, choose the category as Project, and under Project in the report type, choose the project template that's available here. On the project template once chosen, on the left hand side you would see a list of things that have been included already. Go ahead and remove the list of things that you do not want to see. For example, I would not want to see client and program name. I would not want to see the estimated cost, the actual billing, or the actual expenses. All I would like to see is the project name, the estimated hours against on that particular project, and the actual hours that have been input on that project. Now there are two fields that you can probably use for actual hours. One is actual hours selected dates and one is actual hours all dates. If you choose selected dates, then whatever date range that you set on the report, the actual hours would be shown only for that date range. If you choose actual hours all dates instead of selected dates, you would see the list of actual hours for all the dates starting from the time that the project was used for time recording. So choose the field accordingly and click on the Create button. Now on the report page, you will have different set of filters that you can go ahead and filter out. Say for example, if you want to go ahead and run the report for any particular project, then you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want to run the report only for the project that is either archived, either cancelled, completed, deferred, in progress, or tentative, then you can choose the status up here. For example, I'm going to deselect all and only going to be choosing projects that are particularly in progress. And once I've chosen that, I can now click on Run Report to run the report and see which project has how many estimated hours and what is the total actual hours that have been entered on this particular project. If you want to create a column that gives out the difference between the actuals and the estimated, then you can go ahead and create a custom column as well. So in order to do that, click back on Settings, go to the Custom field up here, and click on the Add icon that's available under the Custom field. Now here, name it the way that you want to. For example, I want to name it as Progress, and choose the fields that you want to include. So I want to include actual hours, all dates that I have included here, and click on the Insert button, and I want to include project estimated hours. So I type in project estimated hours and I include that field as well. The moment you include the second field, there will be an add icon included automatically. Remove the add icon and put in the subtract icon as you want to subtract the total actual hours from the estimated hours. Now choose that and click on the add button. Click on the Done option and now run the report to see your custom column showing you the difference between the actual hours, the estimated hours up here directly. If you want this to be in a percentage, you can also go ahead, go back to the custom column, click on the edit button and create this formula in such a way that it gives you out the percentage. Once you are satisfied with the report, then now you can go ahead and save the report for further use. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now get in touch with Replicon and stay updated about the Replicon features using Replicon Community? In order to access the community, click on the Customer Zone option available on the home screen of the Replicon website, and on there you can click on the Community option up here. The way that you can stay updated about the new features of Replicon, click on the Categories options available on the community page and then go ahead and follow the category called Product Updates. If you want to have any ideas put forward to us, you can go ahead and post those ideas, questions or bugs directly on this Replicon community and our product management team will go ahead and answer them for you.